Hi guys, this is Rishik, and in this video, let's do the proper unboxing and the first look at the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Let's start. Guys, we can see a box inside this box. This might be a case of this mobile. We can also see a SIM ejector on this box. And while opening this box, we can see a start guide of this mobile. It's the original log guide and also warranty card is present. While checking this case is the transparent one and also looking good, and it is not a solid one. Let's move to our brand new Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. This phone is powered by octa-core. It has 12 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. We can see the dimensions. They are 161.9 mm into 73.7 mm into 7.8 mm. It also has a good screen. While moving to the camera, it has 12 megapixel plus 64 megapixel plus 12 megapixel camera with the features like digital zoom, auto flash, flash detection, touch to focus, etc. It has blacked a 4500 mAh battery. Let's put up the case to the phone. It looks good.
Good after. Okay.
Let's see the other things in the box. Here we can see an adapter. The adapter is 25-watt adapter. They have given this is the super fast adapter. And this holds adapter. This is the cable, and this cable has both sides C type. As we observed in the adapter, the cable is C type, so that the cable has both sides C type. And they have provided the 8GK branded earphones. I think it sounds good. Let's start our phone. The phone is starting. Let's do the formalities of this phone. Okay, don't mind these formalities, I'll do it fast. Okay, all done. Let's see the phone basics. This phone is good looking, and I think the camera is awesome in this phone.